Okay, this is now the height adjustment and the in and out adjustment of the door. And we wanted to show you this real quick. This nut here is welded to the bolt, and we have a jam nut here, which locks the bolt and the door to the trolley angle or trolley angle assembly. And this one here is the lock nut or jam nut, which fixes the whole height then in position to the door itself. And the first thing we want to do is, if we want to just adjust the door in and out, we just loosen up the top jam nut. Am I on there? Not quite. Hold on, let me see. There we go, to the left. And now we can see this bolt is, the nut is free. And now we can actually slide the door in and out towards the gasket to get the correct seal. And what is important is you want to do this only when the door is in a fully closed position and the trolley wheels are in the dwells. So the door is at its lowest position for the height adjustment. To adjust the height, we have to open up both of the lock nuts, jam nuts. Number one, so we turn this up to give us some clearance, and then we loosen the top jam nut up, which is still a little bit loose. And now we can, by rotating the whole assembly, the door is either going to come up or go down. We can hold the door. The best thing is probably to hold the door in position, and it is easier to do this with two people. So we can go down. Now we're extending it out. Or we can pull the door up off the floor, basically. Then the gap between here and here is going to shrink. So I just do this a little bit here until we come up high enough. And this will also allow us to set the door up either in an angle, what is that, the horizontal, vertical. That you can move either side up or down to get it exactly fitting into your gasket. Fitting onto your gasket. Let me see. I got that a little bit. There we go. So then the first one is we're gonna tighten and secure is the top jam nut. And once we have the height and the position correct, which we want, we give this a good alignment. And now we're gonna tighten the lower one. And this way you can adjust your door exactly to the position for 100% seal all around. And the bottom speed assembly should just slightly touch the floor and should make sure that you have a complete seal around it.